Welcome to my projectbazaar.com. Let us see the title for Compatibility-Aware Cloud Service Composition under Fuzzy Preference of Users. Stack a single cloud service on its own cannot satisfy all the user requirements. A composition of cloud service is required. Cloud service composition, which includes several tasks such as discovery, compatibility checking, selection, and deployment, is a complex process. The main difficulty lies in selecting a combination of virtual appliance infrastructure services that are applied for compatible and satisfy a user with vague preference. A framework and algorithm which simplify cloud service composition for unskilled users. The optimization of user requirement is performed by using OOPS algorithm. The user preference is understood by the system instead of getting queries from the user performed through SPA2 algorithm. The fuzzy logic is the user is understood by the system in the user point of view by using energy algorithm. The fuzzy logic is nothing but the finally give the result to the user is best in among all the services. In flow, first of all, user will request to the cloud. After requesting, cloud will respond to the user. After that, the user will enter into the registration page. After completing registration page, user will provide ID and password and also login address. Using these attributes, user will enter into the cloud. After that, cloud will check all the details and it will all the correct. The user will enter into the cloud. After entering into the cloud, user requests some service to the cloud, and cloud will providing services. After providing services, it will implementation of NSGA. NSGA is nothing but non-dominant sorting genetic algorithm. Its meaning is correctful for multi-objective optimization algorithm. It will optimize all the service and give result to the user. I submitted an example previously and wanted to make this submission useful to others by creating the user. After that, it will receiving user feedback. It calculates the trust value of user. After calculating the trust value, it will ranking the services. After that, the cloud will calculate the security of each and every services. It will correct and finally the LLP algorithm is used to achieve the QoS requirement. It will reduce the cost and time also. Let us see the demo for this project. First of all, you can run firstpage.java. Home page will be shown. You can click image on home page. The user portal page will be shown. If you are existing user, click existing user. Otherwise, click new user. First of all, in the new registration page will be shown. First of all, you can get IP, system IP, and name and password. Finally, mobile number. Click register. Details will be verified. That means the password will be correct or not. Registration successfully. You can click OK. After existing username is Azhar and system IP is editable. Check login your own IP address, not a other IP. OK, and password. Login successful. In user requesting service provider, what type of service user want to click? The user want security service. Click security to request. Requesting will be forwarded to cloud service provider. After giving the type of services view, service will be updated. You can click security. Click OK. User portal. User portal means user want what type of services can write in text area. Security. Click next. View of services. In security service, two security types are there. One is system security, one is cloud security. And get ID. First is system means D011. Click D011 and system security. First of all, view. You can know about system security. As computing system become more essential to daily lives, it become more motion. And click CSS. it will be open into corresponding browser. Click all the web pages, it will be open into corresponding browser. You know all of the sites in your links. After that, click you can see security, computer security. In this project, it will the user will click the link, means it will search the link, otherwise it will download the source code of the link. That means it will check security level is implemented on this site or not. After that, it will checking all these services. Click next. You can recommendation. The recommendation means you can type system security means it will give best among the 6 services. Click to go to site to get useful information about system security. It will give system security and get view and get to, means it will give security. It will open corresponding browser. After clicking all the services, click next and type recommendation. Enter the service name, means what service you can recommend, means cloud security. Click go to this site to get useful information about cloud. This site is a useful information give user to cloud security. Finally, user review. It will store corresponding cloud service provider. Submit. Give submit message, execution time, and user will be stored successfully. After that, in this page, non-join operation optimization is used. It will does not require keywise requirement. Get flow of time and cost and wait and total service cost. Click next. In joint optimization, it will give optimize the services. That means quality of services achieved in this place. That means it will reduce the cost and time of flow, service cost and wait and you compared this to means flow of time in 26, but there is a large in service cost also. Wait and total service cost is in joint optimization is be less. Finally, you can give the graph for that corresponding deployment time.
Thank you.